to another market update episode. Today, I'm joined by Ralph Rio, a senior analyst here at ARC Advisory Group. Ralph recently finished up a 2023 global market analysis report on engineering design tools and building information modeling, or BIM. And I wanted to set up some time to share a little bit more with the audience today. Ralph, thanks so much for the time. Can you touch on the scope of the market analysis report?
Sure. So engineering design tools is that side of it is software that people use to design a plant, infrastructure like bridges and stuff like that, or buildings, commercial buildings. Perhaps if you're in the office, you're probably in a commercial building right now. So it's used to design and the construction of those types of assets. You know, this is we're a modern society, and all these things are needed by modern society. As people move to cities or suburban areas, they need roads, they need bridges, they need water treatment. That's infrastructure. If they need more products that they're going to buy, so that drives the building of process plants. And they also need buildings to work in and maybe to have warehouses and stuff like that.